Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add reflection to text in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Then we go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section and select the frame text tool and draw a text frame to this page. Now I am write some text. Now we want to add reflection effect to the text. Firstly select the text layer and select the move tool, then click right button on our mouse and copy the layer and again paste in this page, then down the layer and rotate the layer 180 degree. Go to the rotation option and select the text and rotate this. Then go to the layer panel and change the opacity. Now we can see we add shadow reflection effect to text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.